berdiri. Penyesalan.
Oh my god, bro. Sweet music. Sweet tune. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I've been reacting to some very great Indonesian music. Okay, no problem. I've been checking out. But surprisingly, there is a reggae version from me, Jamaican, in Indonesia. This is very exciting for me. Exciting news, guys. Alright. So someone made a comment saying, "Hey bro, you haven't reacted to the Indonesian reggae version yet. Now you tell me, how should I feel about this comment and this video that I'll be checking out soon?" Yo, that is to show you guys, like, in Jamaica, bro, we are very influential, especially when it comes down to Bob Marley. All over the world, Bob Marley is just a force to be reckoned in the musical world, representing the reggae genre. Okay, my people, so today I'll be checking out Mawar Hitam Tipe-X cover ska reggae. So it's a ska version in reggae. So guys, without further ado, let's see, let's hear, let's experience reggae in Indonesian form.
La 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 la. Whoa.
Damn, bro. Damn, this is giving the reggae vibe for real. With one drop beat. Dun, 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 dun. Big up my country, Jamaica, bro, for being so influentially huge across the world in the reggae genre. Damn, bro.
La 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 la. Luka itu memang terlalu berat untukmu, terlalu keras untuk kau rasakan. Tak seperti keinginan dan harapan yang selalu kau impikan, kau inginkan, kau hayalkan, dan kau bayangkan dulu. Mestinya kau sadari itu bukan penyesalan yang ada di hati. Saat kau yakinkan diri tuh pergi, coba hadapi semua ini sendiri. Dan ternyata
Yo, this is good. This is sounding good. And it's giving me a nostalgia of a great reggae artist. He goes by the name of Alton Ellis. And the song that he was done, it's called Girl I've Got to Stay. And I could stay instant late. Yeah, I think he sung that song way back. Alright, and this instrumental beat is giving the same impression as how that song sounded. Very good. Very good. I'm loving this, bro. This is giving me such a nostalgia. Okay. The one drop beat is crazy.
keyakinan tak cukup mampu untuk melawan. Kau pun tak mampu bertahan, kini kau mawar penghias malam. Kau mawar hitam, harumu kepedihan. Kau arungi waktu di setiap pelukan. Langit tetap saja hitam, meski air mata darah kau curahkan. Meratapi diri bukan jalan terbaik untuk tetap berdiri. Penyesalan.
Oh my god, bro. Sweet music. Sweet tune. Music to my ears. You know what Bob Marley said? One good thing about music, When it hits you, you feel no pain. And this is the perfect recognition of what Bob Marley says. This music is so good. This music hits me. So I'm rejoicing. I'm feeling happy. Even though I'm not understanding the language that is being displayed from this music, but I can feel the deepness that coming from the music that literally is real. It's realistically real, bro. Right? It is coming alive. I can feel the music rushing through me. Damn, bro. Damn, this is mind blowing.
Memang selalu menakutkan, tapi itu kenyataan. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Dan ternyata keyakinan tak cukup mampu untuk melawan. Kau pun tak mampu bertahan, kini kau mawar penghias malam. Kau mawar hitam harum.
Bu, bu, bu. This is splendid. This is splendid. Splendid music. So calm. So amazing. You know what amazes me a lot when I'm listening to this? Is that our musical realm, not just in Jamaica, but across the entire world where music resonates, that reggae music influence a lot of people to feel the vibe. And it's giving me also a reminder of a chronic song that is called Skanking Sweet. Skanking Sweet, everybody wanna feel high. So get the troubles and rock with me. You know, feel the reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking Sweet, everybody wanna feel airy. This music is so good, bro. So good.
Kepedihan, kau arungi waktu di setiap pelukan. Jangan menangis meski kau sesali. Singkirkan semua bila tak kau inginkan.
Oh, that was a championship song. That was a golden song. That was a tune to my ears. I enjoyed it because even through this reaction, I keep smiling because of what the music is doing. It gives you hope. It gives you life within yourself if you're feeling down. Right? So if you're a big fan of the reggae music in Indonesia and you know you want to find a good music to listen to meditate on, this is the perfect song choice you can choose from. Because trust me, I'm here in Jamaica and I'm not understanding the language, but I'm feeling the deepness of the music. It gives you happiness. It brings joy. It brings great, great memories, bro. Okay? My people, thanks for watching. Yo, big up Bob, man. Big up Bob. Big up Bob Marley for this impact on the musical realm. I'll see you guys in the next video. So leave your thoughts in the comments. I'll be happy to read them. Stay blessed. Remember to pray. Give thanks for life. Subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of whenever time I do another release from Indonesia. You guys won't miss it. I'll see you in a very